Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I wanted to make a video because I just got all of the baby cake smash photos back and I love them. I knew I was gonna love them, but when I saw them all, I was just like, yes, I'm so glad I did this. I'm so glad I talked myself into just getting it done because there's no way if I would have done them myself, they would have not have turned out this great. So thank you again so much, Brittany. You did an amazing job. I really appreciate, we all appreciate you doing it for us and giving us such a killer deal. I will also be linking her information down below. You guys go check her out. Even if you just need senior photos, family photos, cake smash photos, newborn photos. I mean, she does it. She does it all. And she was amazing. So you guys go check her out. Her link is down below. After this little clip of me talking, sorry guys, you have to listen to me talk first, I'll give you guys a little preview of how their photos turned out. And I also will have a little clip at the end of me, Kris, and the kids all playing in the rain because it was pouring outside today. So Kris and I really wanted to see how they reacted with the rain, and it was a lot of fun. So I'm really glad that we just took a minute just to go out dancing in the rain. It was fun. It was fun. So you guys stay tuned.